Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to block shows on Amazon Prime Video. So let's say I want to block this show. It is A Working Man and it is 16+. I can hide this movie right here, but as you can see, this doesn't do the trick because you can still search for it. So in order to hide it for real, you will have to go to your account and then account and settings. Here go over to permissions and set up your Prime Video account PIN. Once you set up your account PIN, then scroll down until you see viewing restrictions and then turn all viewing restrictions. This means that videos with these ratings require a PIN. So then go back to Prime Video, and here, as you can see, when I want to watch A Working Man, I will play. This will basically require a PIN to watch it. So you cannot just watch it straightforward, you will have to have a PIN. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye.